What is up? This is your LA in a minute, and the city of Los Angeles took major steps towards cleaner streets yesterday with the launch of the Clean Streets Initiative. With the installation of trash bins in one of the city's most densely populated and underserved areas, LA appears to be making progress toward cleaner streets. Let's get into it. In 2015, LA Mayor Eric Garcetti launched a $9.1 million executive directive number 8, the Clean Streets Initiative, to help restore services related to cleanliness in more strategic and efficient ways. However, the program was waylaid during COVID as the city struggled to keep up with the high demand for services, including trash and illegal dumping. That said, LA Sanitation began the installation of 30 automated litter bins and 60 metal slatted bins in Westlake and Pico Union this week, and the work is expected to be completed by mid-March. Some of the trash containers will be placed along Vermont Avenue, Washington Boulevard, Venice Boulevard, Alvarado Street, and MacArthur Park, which are in Council District 1, represented by Councilwoman Eunices Hernandez. Trash pickup for these bins will take place 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, as the city tries to improve on the unsanitary items blocking the sidewalks that sometimes impede the right-of-way or clog up alleyways. This will also leave the community more safe and sanitary. Part of the Clean Streets Initiative is encouraging people to use the My LA 311 app. It's an app aimed towards efficiently connecting folks in LA to the most utilized services, including graffiti removal, pothole repair, and bulky item pickup. This is going to be part of a public information campaign that targets areas with historically low rates of 311 requests and high rates of unreported illegal dumping and bulky items left on the streets. There's going to be monthly 311 or 311 walks, installation of educational signage directing people towards My LA 311, and outreach to schools, faith-based organizations, small businesses, and communities. So the Clean Streets Initiative is finally underway here in LA, and we're making progress towards cleaner streets all around Los Angeles. All right, LA, it's been a minute.